Wedding Puja Samagri Kit. In Hindu religion, the concept of marriage is considered to be a very sacred one, as it marks a huge turning point in the life of both the persons tying the holy knot of matrimony. It is for this reason that there are many religious rituals that are involved in these Hindu weddings. These rituals are intended to seek divine blessings for the couple so that they are able to manage their new life together with love and happiness. It is extremely important that every ritual is carefully followed as per the laid down religious traditions. There are numerous pujas which form a part of these Hindu weddings, and the Hindu religious wedding puja samagri required for these pujas should be carefully arranged for, since each item on the list has a huge significance and importance in the puja ceremony. List of items required for conducting a puja at a Hindu wedding. Below is a list of items which are needed for successfully conducting puja on the Hindu wedding day. Havan samagri packet, puja samagri packet, supari or whole betel nets, a small pack of cotton, incense sticks, rice, mauli, a red thread which is considered to be sacred in the Hindu religion, milk, ghee, yogurt, sugar and honey, flowers, although there would be many wedding flowers available at the wedding venue which would be used for the wedding decorations, but the flowers needed for the puja should be kept separate and they should also be of mixed colors. Prasad, which generally consists of sweets, betel leaves, one piece of coconut, a small roll of aluminum foil, 1.5 yards of red cloth. Even if the wedding is taking place in a Hindu center temple, Flushing, still one would needs a small idol or picture of God for the puja, which the couple will be able to take home with themselves. Utensils including plates, bowls, spoon, lota and glass. All the utensils should be of silver, steel or brass. Glass utensils are not allowed. Garlands, 2 chunnis would also be required. One should be red in color while the other should be yellow in color. Mangal Sutra. This the groom is supposed to get for the bride and is supposed to be a symbol of a married woman. Silver coin, sindoor, puffed rice. Arranging for the puja samagri. In most of the cases, the responsibility for making the arrangements for all the items required for the puja is left to the priest or pandit who would be conducting the puja. Since the priest is well aware of all that goes into the puja, he would ensure that all the items are carefully arranged for. However, sometimes the priest may ask the family to themselves to make the necessary arrangements and simply provide them with a list of items that would be required. In some instances, the responsibility for arranging these items is also left to the wedding planners who are making all the other wedding arrangements like wedding decoration, catering, etc.